So now after MRP, we are going to start now what we did up till now. We first understand the demand, how much material we have to produce. Then we have taken MRP run. Then through MRP run, we created plan order. Now it's time to convert that plan order into the production order. Okay. So let us understand what is a production order, what are the different way to create production order. Okay. And let us understand today in this topic. Okay. So first is we will understand today overview of the production order, structure and element of production order, master data required for production order, method of creation of production order, fix of creation of production order, status management in production order, and customization required in production order. So these are the things we are going to learn today. Okay. So let us understand overview of production order. So what is a production order? So production order is what? So on the shop floor, whenever somebody is working as a supervisor or operator, he or she must know what we have to manufacture today, or what is the quantity of material we have to manufacture today. Okay, so that is the information they are required, and then that information can be given in the format of order. Okay, and that order is called as a production order. A production order defines which order to be processed at what location, okay, at what time, and how much work is required. It means that suppose today we have to manufacture 10 JCB. Okay. So today's production order is to talk about 10 JCB needs to be manufactured. Again, in that production order, it will talk about we are having two production lines. Suppose line 1 and line B, line 2. So it will say on which specific line we have to manufacture. So that information is also available in your production order. That means that it will tell you what is need to be manufactured, that is a JCB, where is to be manufactured, that is a line 1, and how much quantity has to be manufactured, that is quantity 10, and up to what date we have to complete that order, that is till tomorrow we have to complete this order. So all this information available in our production order: what is to be manufactured, where is to be manufactured, where is to be manufactured, up to what time we have to dispatch or make the production order ready. So all this information available in your production order. Okay, so again, it will talk about the how much resources are required and how the order cost to be settled. Now, how resources means what? Resources nothing but a work center we are going to use. Okay, how many different work center? Because you are talking about routing, so routing is nothing but inclusive of, it is a combination of your work center, right? Multiple work centers. So it will tell you which machines you are going to use and how much cost of one machine compared to other machine or routing is going to give you the cost. So production order talk about all this thing: what is going to be manufactured, how much quantity we are going to manufacture, on which production line we are going to manufacture, what is the going to be time required for this, and how much cost is going to involve for this. So everything is available with the production order. Okay, so production order is very much important and is going to help you out in this way. Okay, sure. As soon as the plan order or other request is generated from MRP, the information is passed to SFC. Now SFC is what? Shop floor control. Okay, shop floor control means what? Production line people. Okay, shop floor people who are going to control or manufacture physically the quantity, those are called as a shop floor control. The order related data is also added to ensure the complete order processing. What is the order related data? Okay, so we will understand order related means which BOM you are going to use, which routing you are going to use, what are the production resource tools are required. Every information is going to updated into the routing, and that can be useful for the production people. Okay, so production order are used to control the production within a company, and also production order are used to control production within a company and also to control the cost accounting. Now cost accounting is what, how to control that we will see later. Okay, so what you can summarize, like you can use a production order to specify what to be produced, when to be produced, okay, and which capacity or process or production order we are going to use, and how much production cost is going to be involved. So all these things are going to be a part of your production order. I hope it is clear to everyone, team. This is the overview of it. Okay, let me do log into SAP and let us have a production order review. Okay, systems. So CO01 is a T code through which we can create a production order. Now I'm creating a production order manually. Okay. So suppose this is my product JCB B16. Production order plant is 1000 and order type is going to be PP01. Enter. So once we provide this input information, we can see similar here. We have to update what is the quantity, or let us do in this way. Okay. /n MD04. Here we are having our JCB B16 material, right? MD04 screen, right? Everybody aware. Here is my plan order, and we are going to convert the plan order into the production order. So let us convert this plan order into the production order. Now here we can see it is talk about what is need to be produced. This is JCB B16. Okay. Okay. So, sorry, order is created. So this is my order. This. So this order has been created in front of you, right? Now you can see this is the material. What we have to produce? This material. Okay. Where we have to produce? In this plant. What is the quantity? This is quantity. When we have to produce? We have to start on 29th of October and it has to complete it by 1st of November. Okay. So when, what, where, everything is clear. Now here if you go, you can see this is the BOM component we are supposed to use. Okay. So this is the BOM we have to refer. If you click over here, you can see this is the routing we have to use. Okay. This is the routing we are supposed to use. So this is the way we can see what are the different operations and uh, routings or material BOM we have to refer. Every information is available over here. Okay. Now let us go through the screen and understand in a more detailed manner. So we are having the quantity over here. So what is the production order quantity? Okay. Is there any going to be any scrap? Okay. How much we are going to deliver means suppose against this 260, today we manufacture 550 quantity and we do the confirmation of 50 quantity. So system will get update over here this value as a 50 and total quantity is 264. So remaining quantity we keep on doing the manufacturing. Okay. Till the last date, and once the all production order completed, we will see total quantity equal to deliver quantity. Okay. For that, we have to go for the confirmation equal that we'll see later. Okay, confirmation we will see later. Okay. So this is about the quantity. What is the target quantity? What is delivered or completed quantity? Delivered means nothing but how much production has been completed. That information is there. Okay. Next is date and time. Here we are having end time, start time. Okay, that is means when your production is going to start, when the production is going to end. Okay. These are the scheduled date when actually you are going to start. Okay, when you do the confirmation date will get updated over here. So all date
Hi, sir.
information will be, yes.
So sometimes production ended at this same day. So at that time, what will you do?
So start date and end date will be same.
Yes.
Hmm. So see, this is not what we say information. Here you can see the start time and end time. Can you see? This is mentioned as 00, right? This time will become more precise. It will start at early in the morning, 8 a.m. and then it will complete by 6 p.m. in the evening. So that information will be available for on 29th. It will start at this time and end on 29th on same time. That information will get updated over here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Archit. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Now, it is depends upon the scheduling. So when we are going to learn the scheduling topic, okay. So at that time, I will show you in more details. Don't worry. Okay. So we are going to have scheduling as a topic in upcoming topic in this production order subset of this. So we are going to learn all these details of production orders, timings. Okay. Start date, end date. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Coming back to the point.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Now there are types of scheduling: forward scheduling, backward scheduling. Okay, so we understand what is that. So we will learn that what is forward scheduling, backward scheduling. Okay, so that is available. Then float. Okay, we know that there is schedule margin key. We already learned it, but again the scheduling part when we are going to talk about this production order. Here in scheduling, we are going to learn all these details of this part. Okay, scheduling. What is forward scheduling, backward scheduling? Okay, backward scheduling, forward scheduling, everything we'll learn detail. Okay, right now I'm just giving you the overview. Okay, then this is a schedule margin key. Okay, we will understand those things in very much detail. Now,